This blue planet is only our home. Next 1 decade or 2 decades, I will go. On moon also some water, but we try to settle there, impossible. Mars, these stars remain in sky, in blue sky. It's nice. If we go there, impossible. In India, vegetarianism in 1,000 years. In the West, you see, too much eat meat. Not only is it a question of a sense of sort of love these animals, but itself, you see, very bad for ecology. Of course, we Tibetan also a non-vegetarian, but we decided most of our monastic institution now stop serving meat. For health viewpoint also, vegetarian is very, very suitable, very good. The coming generation, they should think the pleasant planet, blue planet, is only our home.